Official weight, 155 for the King of Hawaii. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Dustin Poirier. Dustin, this is a phenomenal championship fight and a phenomenal opportunity for you. You've beaten him one time before. Give us your thoughts on this fight now.
That was a long time ago. This is a different fight. It was a long road to get here. Tomorrow night, I become the interim lightweight champion of the world. And new.
The Diamond, ladies and gentlemen, Dustin Poirier. Max, this is an opportunity for you to fight for the title, but also to fight to revenge one of the 2 losses on your record. Give us your thoughts on this fight.
The man said I need to make a mistake in there tomorrow. I just need him to show up. I'll see you guys tomorrow night.
Max Holloway, ladies and gentlemen.